Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to install the latest version of IntelliJ in Windows 11 operating system. So let's start. First, to install the IntelliJ in your system, Java JDK must be installed. So in previous video we have learned how to install Java JDK. If you don't have Java JDK installed in your system, please watch that video. So let's start. First, open your favorite browser and search for IntelliJ. Now you will get the official website for that. It is jetbrains.com. So click on that. Now here we have the download button. Click on that button to download it. So here we are going to download the exe. We have drop downs. You can install like download zip or any. So I'm downloading exe file. So click on download. It will start automatically downloading. If it is not started downloading, you can directly click from here and get it download. We have downloaded it successfully. Let's open it to install. So open it into folder and double click on that application. So it will ask you to allow it to download. So click on S. Then click on next button. So this is the path where your all Intel ID application or files will be stored. You can change it directly from this browse button. I'm keeping it as it is. Then click on next. Then these are some options that if you want to create a desktop icon, then you just click on this checkbox. Click the second checkbox as well, and then we are working with Java, so click on .java, then click on next button. Now click on the install button, so it will start installing. Install it successfully. Let's click this checkbox to run it and click on finish. Then click on the accept agreement and click on continue button. Then next click on don't send. Now we are going to start with the trial pack. So click on start with free. Click on allow. Now here we have to create the new project. So click on plus icon. Give the project name. I'm giving as first project. Then here you need to add the JDK. So it took my JDK automatically. You can add it from add JDK as well. So just open it and select your JDK path. Click on create button. So it will create the new project. Now this is the main project. So let's try to edit this one. So I'm just deleting all the extra stuff, just skipping the main method, and in system.out let's print something. So I'm just printing hello world. Now let's save this code and let's run. To run, you can directly run from this main method. So they have given here one triangle. So click on that triangle to run. Just run main method. It will start running. So we are getting one syntax error. So here we have closed the three brackets. We need to close two only. So let's remove one and again save it. Then run it again. So you can see we have printed hello world. So in this way you can install IntelliJ in Windows 11 operating system, as well as you can run the sample Java code with the help of IntelliJ IDE.